In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, storytelling is more than just a narrative. It's an immersive experience that demands cutting-edge technology to bring ideas to life. However, the challenge lies in bridging the gap between imagination and execution. Traditional video production can be labor-intensive and costly, often requiring specialist skills to achieve professional results. For many, this barrier hinders the full realization of creative potential. Basic video editing tools are widely available, but they often lack the sophistication needed for intricate storytelling, forcing creators to compromise on quality. The key challenge is finding a solution that combines quality, efficiency, and accessibility in the video creation process. Introducing a groundbreaking tool designed to revolutionize the creation of video models by combining state-of-the-art AI technology with unparalleled ease of use. It offers precise control over every aspect of your video, from character animations to scene transitions, ensuring your story comes to life exactly as envisioned. It not only saves time but also elevates the quality of your output, making it the go-to choice for creators who demand both efficiency and excellence. This is Hedra AI. Let's explore how Hedra AI empowers human storytelling and transforms the video creation landscape, enhancing efficiency and productivity for creators across various domains. Introduction to Hedra AI. Hedra AI is a pioneering artificial intelligence platform designed to empower storytellers by converting creative concepts into dynamic video models with unparalleled precision. Hedra AI is developed by a cutting-edge creation lab focused on revolutionizing human storytelling. The Character One model, a standout feature of Hedra, allows users to generate expressive, talking characters from still images in seconds. It supports dynamic voice features, including singing and rapping, powered by its partnership with 11 Labs. This collaboration provides high-quality, human-like voices that enhance the storytelling experience. Key features of Hedra AI. 1. Instant video rendering. Hedra AI provides near-instantaneous conversion of concepts into video models, allowing users to see results as they work. This feature is invaluable during the storytelling process, enabling creators to iterate quickly and efficiently. Hedra AI offers several video models, including Character One for generating speaking, singing, and rapping characters, and an upcoming Worlds feature that allows users to create immersive virtual environments. These models provide expressive and customizable characters, enabling precise control over visual and audio elements, making the video creation process highly efficient and tailored to specific storytelling needs. 2. Narrative precision. The platform excels at capturing intricate narrative elements, ensuring that the story's essence, from character emotions to setting ambience, is accurately represented in the video. This capability is especially useful for high-impact visual content where storytelling is key. 3. Editable video models. After generating a video model, users can edit and refine it to better suit their storytelling needs. This flexibility ensures that the final content is perfectly tailored to the specific requirements of a project, meeting the high standards of both creative and professional environments. 1. Character customization. Modify character appearance, expressions, and movements. 2. Voice editing. Adjust pitch, tone, and language settings for voiceovers. 3. Scene adjustments. Edit backgrounds, lighting, and camera angles. 4. Seamless integration. Hedra AI integrates effortlessly with popular video editing and production software, streamlining the process of importing and exporting content. This direct integration saves time and effort, making it easier to incorporate video models into existing workflows. 5. Collaborative tools. Hedra AI promotes teamwork by enabling shared access to video models. Collaborators can review, comment on, and edit models together, enhancing productivity and ensuring that the storytelling vision is realized cohesively. Hedra AI step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Sign up/login. Visit the Hedra AI website. Create an account by providing your email and password or log in using existing credentials. Step 2. Access the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, where you can manage your projects. Step 3. Upload concepts. Click the Upload button prominently displayed on the dashboard. Select the storyboards, scripts, or visual references you wish to convert into a video model. Ensure your input is comprehensive to capture the full narrative scope. Step 4. Set project parameters. In Hedra AI, selecting the right project parameters is crucial for achieving your desired video model quality. Model resolution. Choose high resolution for cinematic quality videos suitable for professional films or advertisements, medium resolution for social media content and educational videos, and low resolution for quick previews or internal use. Narrative complexity. Select high for detailed, multi-layered stories that require advanced rendering. Medium for standard storytelling formats, and low for straightforward narratives or short content. Output format: choose MP4 for universal compatibility, MOV for high-quality playback, and AVI for specific editing needs. Step 5. Generate video model. Click Generate to initiate the video modeling process. Hedra AI will analyze your inputs and convert them into a dynamic video model. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on narrative complexity. Step 6. Review and edit. Use the integrated video viewer to inspect your model. Play, pause, and scrutinize details closely. If necessary, apply edits or refinements directly within the platform. Step 7. Export and save. Once satisfied, export the video model in your chosen format, e.g. MP4, MOV, AVI. Save the model to your device or upload it to cloud storage for easy access. Best uses of Hedra AI. 1. Film production. Hedra AI is an invaluable tool for filmmakers, enabling the rapid creation of detailed video models for scenes, characters, and settings. This technology streamlines the production process, allowing for the efficient development of high-quality content that enhances the storytelling experience. 2. Marketing and advertising. For marketers, Hedra AI offers the ability to create compelling video ads that resonate with target audiences, significantly boosting engagement and conversion rates. This capability allows for more effective storytelling and brand campaigns. 3. Educational content. Educators can use Hedra AI to generate engaging video content for lessons, tutorials, or presentations. This tool simplifies the creation process, enabling the production of visually appealing content that enhances learning and retention. 4. Social media content. Content creators can leverage Hedra AI to produce eye-catching videos for social media platforms, driving higher engagement and fostering a deeper connection with followers. Hedra AI enables the creation of various media content types, including short-form videos, character-driven narratives, and animated clips tailored for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. 5. Corporate training. Companies can use Hedra AI to create professional training videos, including compliance courses, product demonstrations, and soft skills training that communicate complex information clearly and effectively, improving employee understanding and retention. Why Hedra AI stands out. 1. Advanced AI integration. Hedra AI utilizes state-of-the-art artificial intelligence to deliver video models that are not only accurate, but also rich in narrative detail, setting it apart from other video creation tools. Hedra AI's advanced AI integration enables the creation of video models with lifelike facial expressions and realistic voice modulation, making characters appear more authentic and engaging. For example, a character's subtle eyebrow raise or the modulation of their voice to convey emotion adds depth to storytelling, elevating the narrative quality beyond what traditional tools offer. 2. User-centric design. The platform's intuitive features, such as instant video rendering and editable models, make it accessible to a wide range of users, from seasoned professionals to newcomers in video production. 3. Collaborative focus. Hedra AI emphasizes teamwork, with tools that allow for shared access and collaborative editing of video models, fostering a cooperative environment that enhances creativity and productivity. Hedra AI's collaborative focus is enhanced by the Team Sync feature, which allows for shared access and collaborative editing of video models. 4. Continuous innovation. Hedra AI is dedicated to continuous improvement, with machine learning driving ongoing advancements that keep the platform at the forefront of video technology. 5. Versatility. Hedra AI is a highly adaptable tool, offering valuable applications across various domains including film production, marketing, education, and beyond. Its ability to enhance storytelling makes it an essential resource for diverse creative and professional projects. Limitations of Hedra AI. 1. Complex storylines. While Hedra AI is powerful, it may struggle with extremely intricate or multi-layered narratives, potentially resulting in video models that lack coherence or depth. These may require additional manual adjustments to achieve the desired level of detail and clarity. Hedra AI can handle complex storylines but may struggle with highly intricate details like detailed subplots or layered character backstories, potentially leading to a lack of coherence. For the best results, consider simplifying these elements or preparing to make additional manual adjustments to ensure clarity and depth in the final video models. 2. Video length constraints. The platform might have limitations when handling longer or more detailed projects. Extended videos could be challenging to produce in a single pass, possibly requiring users to break the content into shorter segments or manage the process in parts to ensure quality. 3. Language support. Currently, Hedra AI primarily offers English language support. This can be a barrier for non-English speakers or users who need localized interfaces, limiting its accessibility and usability in a global context. Conclusion: Hedra AI is more than just a video creation tool. It's a revolutionary platform that bridges the gap between creative concepts and dynamic video models through sophisticated artificial intelligence. Serving a diverse array of needs in film, marketing, education, and beyond, Hedra AI enhances productivity and ensures that no story is lost in translation. An interesting fact about Hedra AI. The core technology behind Hedra AI is its use of advanced neural networks that analyze and reconstruct narratives with remarkable precision. This results in video models that not only capture the essence of the story, but also bring it to life with a level of detail and emotion that sets Hedra AI apart from other video creation platforms. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of Hedra AI with me. But guess what? The adventure doesn't end here. Stay tuned for more captivating insights by subscribing to my channel. Let's keep the magic alive, explore endless possibilities, and make the impossible possible together.